like yours before. Now he in love with a fat girl. He in love with a fat girl. He in love with a fat girl.
Hey everyone, today's video is sponsored by Temu. Temu is an online marketplace that offers the most competitively priced products in multiple categories: fashion, jewelry, home decor, pet supplies, and so much more. Here I'm going to show you guys some items that we got from Temu. We got some wall decor. We have a clock that you're going to see Rayshawn put up on the wall. But I love Temu because everything is affordable and it has high quality, and they have amazing coupons. They have a site-wide sale with savings up to 90% off, free shipping and free returns for up to 90 days. They accept all major credit cards, debit cards, electronic payments, and pay later programs like Afterpay and Klarna. So make sure you guys click the link in my description to check them out. You guys are going to have a 30% off code. Using my code, you get 30% off of your order. So click the link below, go check them out. You can also download the Temu app. They have an app that offers different perks and makes your shopping experience so much smoother. So, like I said, Rayshawn's putting his clock on the wall. I thought it was a cute gesture. You can put it however you want to put it up, but these are some things that you can get from there. Rayshawn also got some laundry baskets. Those have been convenient for us, and everything works great. It's great quality. Again, make sure you click the link in our description below. You're going to get 30% off for shopping Temu using our code. Thank you so much, Temu, for sponsoring this video. as you can tell by the title, we are doing a limited edition Sam's Club snack taste test. So, you know, this is what we do. Taste things sometimes. We have 4 different items that Sam's Club is having right now, limited edition. One of them are...
We got the flip strawberry shortcake pretzels.
And these were $7, I believe, or either $5.
We got the Reese dipped animal crackers.
Closer. Y'all, animal crackers. I'm excited to try those.
Me too.
They're covered in milk chocolate. Then we have the limited edition papaya mango Dole fruit cups. You know, I like my papaya and mango. Caprico. And then we have the Lucky Charms.
Just magical marshmallows. That's
magical delicious.
But before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit that baby notified, give this video a thumbs up.
Yes, let's get into it. Bless all these snacks in Jesus' name.
Yeah, what you want to try first?
What do you think is going to be... Okay, yeah.
We'll just go ahead and get these out the way because...
We've been looking out for one whole day. I wanted to take them yesterday when I was live on them crawfish, but then I had to hurry up and get my little baby girl. So, yeah. Well, she made that face like you. Yeah.
So this is how one side looks, and this is how the other side looks.
Yeah, it look like it's thick with chocolate. I mean, peanut butter.
Not bad.
Mm-hmm.
You know, of course, Reese gotta be Reese. You know, peanut butter over everything.
If you look at Reese cup, 1 out of 10, it gets a 10. If you like Reese cups, you're gonna like this, hands down. If you like them. All right, bag number 2. What you do. Let's see if I can get. I try to do a little hole, y'all, because you know stuff be going bad fast. Yep. It smells like strawberry. I like the white chocolate of these, so I think I'm gonna like these.
Give it an 8.
I love flips. I like the salty and sweet.
My favorite ones, well, our favorite ones is the white chocolate ones, hands down.
These right here, I'll give these a 9.
I give them an 8.
Yeah, if you like flips already as it is, you'll like these. If you like, especially if you like the white chocolate. If you like strawberry, it has a great strawberry flavor. It doesn't taste artificial. You know how that nasty aftertaste? This don't have that. So I would definitely give this a thumbs up. Good job, flips, on this.
We're gonna go for the Lucky Charms.
Magical delicious. So this right here comes with 2 4-ounce pouches. So it's not like little small bags that you can give your kids. You have to actually pour them inside of a little Ziploc bag. So just to let you know before you... Oh, cute. A cute little bag. Look at that.
I wonder what made them want to come out with just their marshmallows.
Because people will be upset.
Because people only buy the Lucky Charms just for the
and it says 2023 limited edition Lucky Charms. Just magical.
That's good.
Oh, shoot. Okay. If you're a person who freak out with styrofoam chewing it, this will freak you out.
Yeah, these gotta go in some milk. I wonder what these taste like in some Honey Nut Cheerios.
You have plenty to taste from. I just got these off a whim. Just didn't really think about it. Just put it in the cart and said,
yeah, because
let's do it.
When I seen it, I was like, just marshmallows. Like, we're a house that don't even really buy Lucky Charms.
Yeah, we don't. But I did get them because I knew Miracle was here and she does like eating marshmallows by themselves.
You gotta. Those are the dehydrated marshmallows.
Yeah. it just do something to my teeth when I crunch on it. It don't feel right. So the 1 through 10, but we got okay. Can we talk about the review?
It's like you chewing dirt. Sorry, y'all. 1
through 10, I'm gonna give the marshmallows. Flavor wise, they're good. I mean, just like the Lucky Charm. 1 through 10, I'll probably give it a 6. Just overall for everything.
My overall, I give it a 4.5.
Yeah, but kids will absolutely love it because it's sweet. Y'all already know that.
But if you just want to sweeten your milk,
put them in there.
Just put them in there, and then you got a cold marshmallow drink.
Yeah, so try it and see. But what's next? Oh, yeah,
last but not least, papaya and mango fruit cups.
Y'all know I love my tropical fruit. Do you like tropical fruit?
I wish I would fruit.
You get 16 4-ounce cups. I think it's just like $6 or something like that. So y'all already know the regular Dole cup. And this is not the one that's sugar free. Not sweetened with Splenda. Because sometimes it'll be nasty. It's gonna hit every time. But we just had a whole bunch of different things. But this is good to me. I know I'd be even better in the refrigerator. Cold.
I think that's what's throwing me off.
I like it. 1 through 10 for me? Okay.
1 through 10 for me, I'm gonna give it a 6. Because I mean, I like mango. I like tropical fruit. But these not it for me.
I love it.
Because I feel like when I eat a papaya, I feel like I need to have the fruit cocktail.
What?
You know the fruit cocktail when it got all the fruit with the papaya in it? I feel like that's what I'm missing.
I never had... No, it's always the tropical that got the...
Yeah, the tropical fruit.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the tropical fruit cocktails is But those are our reviews.
If you like tropical fruit, and I feel like they did good with it. It don't taste artificial. It tastes good. I like it. I'm going to definitely be tearing them up for sure.
Those will definitely be for her.
Good. But we hope that you guys enjoyed this video.
Enjoyed our Sam pickups.
Yeah, Sam's be having some lit stuff. My favorite of all the limited editions was the Krispy Kreme popcorn by Smart
And them
Food.
things, they came and went fast.
They were so good.
I ain't gonna lie, we reached out to Krispy Kreme, telling them to bring them back. Even Smart Food, we reached to Krispy Kreme and Smart Food, so I'm bringing them back.
So y'all, if you like this video, because this is something new that we're doing. This is not something that y'all used to seeing us do. Huh?
Have my drink.
But comment below. We really need y'all feedback on this. Comment below if you like seeing videos like this of trying reviews more than one at one time. Because normally we would like post a short of one little item. But if you like to see a video of like different ones before you go buy it yourself, let us know in the comments so that because I want to keep doing these. We can go to different grocery stores to try new items. Whatever.
Well, when they come to our store, because North Carolina is behind on the new
Yeah,
one.
they are. It's ridiculous.
It is.
But yeah, Sam's Club, is going to let, and a lot of people have a Sam's Club membership, so you probably see these snacks in your Sam's. But we hope you guys enjoy it. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.